Titan pressure washing here. What's going on, guys? So we got this nice house, about 2,000 square foot house, so we did an exterior wash on it, and we soft washed and hot pressure washed the driveway, and then we're going to seal the driveway. We've got a great sealer that we use, and we did their walkway. And they're gonna have to repaint the house. And they've got paint loss and mud daubers that we had to remove. Anyway, give you guys a little walk around. Got all this mold and algae off the side of the house. It was moderate to heavy before. It's a good client. They're gonna have us come back out on a regular basis, every 6 months to a year, depending on how bad the buildup is. Pool screen enclosure, yeah, that thing was bad because it backs up here to the little green belt here. So we cleaned it all, got all that looking nice. And we also had a lanai. We tried to get this out the best we could. Older pavers. We got all the bugs, spider webs out. Screen enclosure looks great. Those aren't stains, those are where the paint's peeled up. So this was all black out here. Nice little backyard. The whole house is nice and clean. Pool screen enclosure has a little bit of oxidation on it, but no more mold or mildew. So walk out here. There's the outside. Got a little bit of stains that wouldn't come out there, and they're going to redo those. Clean the AC pad and pool pump pad. Came out. Got this side of the house. Had this fence on the inside and on the outside that was completely jet black, just like the trash bag there. So we sprayed all that, did a nice little soft wash on it, and it came out brand new. Usually they have rust stains on them. Quite hard to get off of these plastic fences. But anyway, that is our project so far. Here in about 10 minutes or so, we're gonna, as soon as this dries enough, I'll start applying a sealer. Take a video of that as well. While I'm doing it, we've already done all the prep. It's clear sealer, non-slip, has UV protectant and mold and mildew inhibitors in it. Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you on the next video. TitanPW.com is the website, and TitanPressureWashing.fl is for YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys. Hey everybody, Titan Pressure Washing here. So we just sealed this 1,100 square foot driveway, cleaned it, soft washed it, used the hot pressure wash on it, and got that real nice deep clean that Titan does so well. And we came through and we used our clear sealer on it. Goes on clear, dries clear, it's non-slip. It's got UV protectant in it, so it's going to protect the surface. And so this is a really good client of ours. We did the whole entire back lanai, the pool screen enclosure, and the driveway, and the whole house. So pretty much the whole house except for the roof. He doesn't want to get it done because it's at the end of its age. It's about done. I think it's 26 or 27 years old. So he said next year he's going to replace it, and then after a year after that, then we're going to come out and seal the new roof. Till next time, guys. TitanPW.com, that's our website. TitanPressureWashing.fl, that's our YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.